Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to switch to a T-Mobile experience plan from a legacy plan step-by-step migration. You do not need to manually switch plans because T-Mobile is executing this migration automatically. T-Mobile is retiring old legacy plans such as Simple Choice, One, and Magenta to consolidate over 1,100 old billing codes into new modernized experience plans, including Experience Signature, Experience More, and Experience Beyond. Because this is a forced carrier-side migration starting mid-July 2026, no direct action is required on your part to initiate the change. First, the automated migration process, automatic cutover. The change will apply automatically on billing cycles starting mid-July 2026. No voluntary choices. Customers cannot manually select the specific new experience sub-tier. T-Mobile maps you to a comparable modern plan based on your current setup. Retained perks, your existing free lines, tax inclusive or tax exclusive billing structures, and 5-year price guarantees will carry over to the new plan. Feature upgrades. Your line will gain upgraded capabilities like premium 5G speeds, expanded international roaming, and increased mobile hotspot data. Now, your step-by-step action plan. First, perform a bill audit. Log into your account via the official T-Mobile app or website. Then navigate to the bill pay and download your most recent PDF statement to view full account details. Now locate your exact current plan name and base monthly cost and identify and list all active line level promotions, discounts, or free lines. Verify your total monthly breakdown, taxes, and connected equipment payment amounts. Next, check for notifications. Look for text alerts or account notifications detailing your specific new destination plan. For example, Experience More or Experience Beyond and any potential monthly rate changes. Now review the new tiers. Experience Signature slash Signature Select. Standard entry migration level. Experience More mid-tier option with enhanced hotspot limits. Experience Beyond premium tier, which may include features like a 250 GB hotspot and streaming bundles such as Hulu with ads. What to do if you dislike your new plan? Contact customer care. Dial 611 from your handset to reach a representative. You can request a lateral shift to standard consumer tires like Essential Saver or Go 5G if they better fit your budget. Next is the switch provider. If you choose to leave T-Mobile entirely, you can port your number to an MVNO mobile virtual network operator. Options like Mint Mobile or US Mobile run on the same nationwide towers but offer cheaper alternative pricing structures. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.